You try it straight down. Hi, how you guys doing? Good.
How are you? How's everything? Good. Where were you?
I think that's a cool spot to keep it from bobbing the way that you don't want it to. We don't want it to. Dora hair. Hey y'all, welcome to my life. We're doing it is healthy. She just wanted to cut a lot of length off of her hair, so we're doing it's a transformation. Not a healthy. Her hair is healthy and thick and long. Okay. My restaurants here and other cities, but never had them look like that.
that are different.
That's in the service, of course.
Yes, that's his whole thing, you know? You ever watch a show?
My wife watched that.
Yes.
I watched the British baking show with her, but I don't really watch that.
Oh, okay.
One that I like is the Schneider, like trying to help people.
Yes. Oh, I love those
Their
too.
restaurants,
Yeah.
yelling at everybody. Yeah.
I'm watching right now with him is Master Chef Generation.
Oh, yeah.
We have a gal on there from Portugal.
Oh, wow.
She's still on there.
Yeah, check it out. Yeah, I watch a lot of those too.
Yeah.
Usually she's on watching and I'll just kind of watch a few episodes of, whatever.
Never use that break.
Yeah. I don't pay attention to them. That's what it is.
Yeah.
I tend to watch a lot more like YouTube clips or whatever. Or if I'm watching is like sports,
Yeah.
basketball games.
Yeah. We're doing a red line. Any kids in there?
How you doing? You doing good? I'm not doing yet. It's just busy. I'm not supposed to. Hey, you took off yesterday. Oh, you off yesterday? That's amazing. Right? Have fun flying and just spend the time. You know what? It changes. It changes. So some days you have good days. Like today started too fast. You know, you have that 3 days off, right? And you go back to work and then, it's like, it's pretty nice. It's busted. But you got to get you move yourself to your house. So when it happens, all the kids could leave. You have to run the block. You have wait for kids to come in. That way. And then it's just go down here. You gotta just work it, whatever you say. Yeah. 3 weeks. If I was at time last week, but I was like tired. But now I know it's going to come in. But let me see what it's in. It's empty. So afternoons are better, right? Afternoons. But you're not here Tuesday anything, right? Oh, yeah. Your kids do that football? No. Huh, actually, is it? Okay. Is it tiny? Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. For me, it's reality. That's reality. we did the Tahoe, we did Lake Arrowhead, we did. I just got back from Missouri like a week and a half ago. So,
Oh, you did?
yeah. I went 5 days.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but it was funeral. It was for a funeral.
Yes.
And then I don't know why the wife did it already, but she booked our vacation home in Ventura already.
Oh, really?
Yeah, for next. This is like July.
Just getting a head start. Oh, you don't do it early. You miss out.
Wasted my money already. But it is because it gets booked. So she didn't book it now. Yeah. I think it was for the weekend. And it's like literally you watch out the beach. Yeah. But she's starting already. For me, I don't start nothing because all I got to think about is school.
Yeah.
Kids.
You know, you need to say
And remember, we were talking about the promotion? It went up $2 then.
Mm-hmm.
Am I still paying the 19 or do I?
No, yours should have stayed the same.
Oh, okay.
But if they're ever going to raise your rate, they will email you.
Oh, okay. That's good. Now keep that $2. Eat a
They
taco,
raised
buy a
some of
taco.
them, but I think they raised the ones that were lower, I think 18. It was just some
What
of
you mean
them.
the one that was lower?
There was some, they had it for a long time. We have some people that have it for $15.99.
Oh,
And they've
shit.
had it since like almost the very beginning of when they started it.
I never knew there was a promotion until I came here. And I used to cut my hair all the time at Super Cut.
I think they started it before COVID.
exactly.
I wasn't here then. Yeah, they started it at like 14. I think.
That's not
And now we're
that's not bad. Yeah.
still
Good. It's fine, you know.
especially when you don't use lunch. Can't beat that.
I've been bugging Brandon. I'm like, let your hair grow
Yeah?
so we can cut it at least twice a month.
Oh,
Yeah.
I
So
mean, it too.
we'll get it definitely once a month, but then again, regular cuts 25, ain't it?
29?
29.
But I mean, sort of like a barber shop, it's like 40.
That's weird.
You buy 40 for
It is. That's still super crazy. It is cool. It was 25, right?
No, it's 28.
So it went up $1.
They raised it $1 a couple years ago. And they
That's
just
corporate
raised
raising it, right?
Yeah.
Is he Arabian?
Hmm?
The Indian Arabian or no?
Actually, I don't know.
There's a whole group, right? Our
Well,
franchise.
there's like an owner, but yeah,
It's probably owned by like a group.
That's what it says. A group of people.
White. He white. He's white.
His name's Michael. His name's Michael.
Right.
Alexa, play Ray Charles radio.
Amazon users stopped playing early because they're having their new listening activity.
Right.
The station Ray Charles on
I think
Amazon
about like
Music.
100 they shut down.
That's still good. So like a lot of them back then, it was like $20 for a cut, just a quick, easy cut. Nowadays, if you go to like the man barbers, right, they're like $35. And then some of them are like 40.
Yeah.
So I was telling myself like, you ain't gotta do too much. You know, you don't line, no waves, no nothing. So just make it easy.
Alexa, turn the volume down.
They started yelling at us.
What you guys play?
Right.
This was a Ray Charles radio.
Oh, okay. I Pandora and everything.
For you? Use Spotify.
See, my wife uses Spotify. So.
We're gonna use Spotify.
That was it? Okay. I like that smile, girl.
Yeah. A new man. So I use mine, and then I use.
Look at her, new hair. Who this? Super cute.